you. Hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Carissa and thank you for clicking on my video. If you can hear barking in the background, that is our new puppy Max and our 3-year-old Labrador playing. But getting to the video, this is a laundry motivation video. I always need laundry motivation. I watch YouTube every time I have to do laundry just to get motivation to do it. It's probably one of the dreaded chores I have to do. But I do sort my laundry into darks, colours and whites and towels and tea towels. So I have, on average, probably 3 to 4 loads per time I wash. The new brand of washing liquid I'm using is Lovables. They come with 2 separate detergents. They have one for the darks, which I just showed, and I'm also going to show you the one for the whites, colours and everything else, and that's the blue one, which you can see in the footage there. Now the little puppy dog you can see is Max, and he's the newest addition to our family. He is about 3 months old now, and he's a pointer. And then you will see our other puppy dog. Well, he's not so much a puppy dog anymore, and that's Jet, and he's about 3.5 years old, and he's a Labrador. They love to watch Mum do the washing. They just love it. They're everywhere. They sit in the way. I don't know, but everybody laughs at how much my dogs love to sit there and watch me do laundry. So I hope this gives you heaps of motivation, guys. If it does, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you do like my content, please remember to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell. Make sure you click on the all for the notifications so you get notified each time I upload. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, guys.
A bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. From the minute that I met you. Smoking outside, trying to get your attention. You make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. From the minute that I met you. of the night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty ugly from the minute that I met you.